The truth shall set you free. Oh yes, no delusions, no lies, but your mind, your ego, it does lie to you sometimes. The problem is that life doesn't always bring you rainbows, lollipops, and unicorns. Sometimes it brings you a few setbacks. Sometimes we have a small roadblock on our way to ultimate success. Hello Positive Peeps, it is Lori here, your self-appointed positivity princess. I'm here spreading happiness and positivity. So today I'm talking to you guys about something called gratitude symbols, and let me explain. As I was saying, sometimes we have small roadblocks to our ultimate success. We need a lifeline. You need an anchor. You need something to bring you back to gratitude. So when things aren't going well, you need something to bring you right back. Enter the gratitude symbol. This can be one of the following. It can be a piece of jewelry, this can be an item you keep in your pocket, like a rock or a good luck charm. Kind of big, but this could be a symbol drawn on a piece of paper on a sticky note and kept in your pocket and anywhere where you might see it. This can even be a tattoo. This here is my symbol. I wear this. It's a necklace of Metatron's cube. When I see it, I'm reminded of gratitude, and I repeat to myself, I am so happy and grateful that I live in a friendly universe. Then I purposely and deliberately bring about feelings of gratitude. So what does that feel like? I think of the last time that I got exactly what I wanted. I take some deep, deep belly breaths, and I just bring all the air right through my heart and right out through my heart, and I feel as much love and joy as possible. Excitement, joy, relief, and success, all of these great feelings. Physically, this might feel like butterflies in your stomach, giddiness, slight increased heart rate, and a smile on your face. You can use the same symbols, or the same symbol as me, or you can come up with your own. So some ideas are some horoscope symbols, sacred geometry symbols, which are some of my favorites. That's where Metatron's cube comes from. There's religious symbols. And there are also like Chinese symbols and characters. You can also just create your own, you know. You can combine some small letters, symbols, numbers, and anything you want to put together. So please comment below. Tell me, what are you going to use as your gratitude symbol? Or your, the symbol that you're going to use to ground you and bring you back to gratitude. So remember, in the film Inception, I wanted to use this as an example. In the film Inception, it was a film about a shared created dream experience. So each person has an item that they refer to as their totem. This item is very personal to each, and it represented reality for them. So think of your gratitude symbol as your realization of reality, or your personal totem. Reality is your gratitude, okay? So it'll bring you right back to that. So how do you use the symbol? Well, I've already explained that what I do with the gratitude symbol myself. The most effective way to use it is that you have it with you all the time. You have easy access to it. You look at it every time your mind causes you to stray to a place on the opposite of gratitude. You cannot entertain both positive and negative emotions at the same time. So when you're angry or sad or jealous, anything like that sneaks in, replace it with gratitude, happiness, joy, and of course, love. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. I hope it wasn't too long. Thank you so much. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Remember to comment below what symbol you are going to be using. Let me know if there's any topics you'd love me to cover. Please give me a like. Please subscribe, and I'm really excited to see you in the next video. Love you guys, and be positive. The truth shall